Projectile motion basically ये है कि when you throw an object upwards and freely under the action of gravity with an angle, so it shows कि the path followed by the projectile will be called the trajectory. और जो ये ट्रेजेक्ट्री होती है इट इज़ यूजली ऑलवेज अ पैराबोला एंड द मोशन दैट द ऑब्जेक्ट विल फॉलो विल बी कॉल्ड द प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन. So the time of flight क्या है? It is the time taken by the projectile to cover the distance from the place जहाँ से आपने उसको project किया upwards in the air to the place where it hits the ground. So the whole time covered is called the time of flight and it can be measured as 2v sine theta divided by g where g is 9.81 meters per second square. रेंज ऑफ द प्रोजेक्टाइल इज द टोटल हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्टेंस जो वो ऑब्जेक्ट कवर करेगा. द हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्टेंस दैट इट कवर्स फ्रॉम. So the range of the projectile is basically the maximum distance which a projectile will cover in the horizontal direction. And it depends on the velocity of the projection and also the angle of the projection. And the formulas are given below जिनसे हम range of the projectile निकाल सकते हैं, which is basically r is equals to v into time of flight, v cos theta multiplied by 2v sin theta divided by g, and it can also be written as v square sin 2 theta divided by g. And the maximum horizontal distance a projectile can cover is when it is thrown at an angle of 45 degrees, and this is also called the maximum range of the projectile. And this can be calculated by the formula r max is equals to v square over g.